Good morning, Snola here. I am trying to figure out a new angle so you guys can see better. But anyway, I have put another kit together, but this one is mostly Sari. So we'll see what you think. So this is the first piece. You get this one. It's all covered with gold dots. It's sewn on with, with that metal thread that they use. Oh, there's that one. Then I'm putting in this one. This is a different kit for me. Um, there is Sari in it, but it's lighter. This piece and the other pieces are a little darker than this one, off of the exact same piece of Sari, but anyway. And then I put in a piece of this one. And this one. And then we have this piece of Sari. I don't know if you guys don't like this angle, let me know. Then I have this piece of fabric. And I believe this is I think it's from a Sari as well. I'm not positive, but. And then we have another piece here, gold and pink. And another piece of this yummy Sari. This was probably one of my favorites. Actually, I got a new one that I'm gonna have to cut into, and it's very pretty like that. Let's see. Then I have a piece of this light dusty rose color. And then a piece of teal. And then there's a piece of this one in it, and it's got sparkle on it as well. They're all fairly light. There's not a lot of dark colors in this one. This is a new one, and I had rolled it up, but I will open it. So you get some sweet little medallions on that. And there's a piece of pink. It's just like a satin. No, it's not satin either. It's shiny. Then there's a piece of lace. And beautiful piece of this blue Sari. It's gorgeous. I only have such a tiny bit of that. And then I put in one of these in each one. And I put a piece of this in each one. And and one of these medallions in there. Then I put a little package of doilies in, and 2 pieces of these are I don't know what they're stained with because I didn't do it, but these are 2 laces that I'm including in that. And then there will be something wrapping the package. So that's this one. And we'll just call it Sari 1. And I have 4 and $20 for each one. So there's only 4. So let me know. I have lots of Sari. I could be making up lots more. If you have any ideas, just give me a shout. So there's 4 of these, and that's it. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.